Gotta do a diagnostic on this Ford Taurus, leaking oil on the ground. I don't know if you can see that. Need something to hold this up. So somewhere up here look like it's leaking because it's dripping down. We got drips right here. Oh, we got drips right here. So let's figure out what happened. The oil pan look good. Let's start it up. Got the Quick Trip coffee. That's respectable. I drink that too. Ooh, there it is. Figure out where that's coming from. Okay, the oil pressure sensor. If I'm not mistaken. Alright. See if we can get that fixed for them right quick. Check out AutoZone, see how much. See if they got one in stock. AutoZone literally right there, so this ain't no big deal. Don't say yes, I'm gonna go ahead and close this up right quick. Go ahead and start my way to AutoZone. Alright. Let's be on the way. Truck be everywhere. For real. You gotta open what? Oh, your hood?
Yeah.
You got both of the things off?
Yeah.
Supposed to be able to, oh, you gotta pull this to the side.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, let me see where the stick at. Oh, right here. What you trying to put in here? Windshield wiper fluid?
Yeah.
Let me see. You know where it go?
Here?
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Get the pressure sensor.
Yeah, check those boxes. There should be some in there. You know? No, the horse is gone for the day. We have to take care of you up here.
Thank you.
Bro, you literally started something.
Right. Did she get it? Alright, let's finish this. Alright, take this off. Take your new sensor. I really don't know how it's leaking, but it's definitely leaking. Take the new sensor, I guess the inside of it, most likely. And then, you know, to see what size it is. 21, okay. Alright, I'm gonna take this extension, put it on this. A short extension with a deep socket, and that should go on there. Okay, we got it. We got it. Now let me just figure out how I'm going to loosen it. There we go. Hopefully not too much oil get lost. It shouldn't. Alright. It's pretty loose. I'm gonna just take this off and do it by hand. There we go. Oh, I moved just in time. Dang. I don't know how that was leaking, but it was leaking. Let's get this new one in because it's already pouring out. I don't know how it's pouring out like that, considering that the oil pan is all the way down here. It must be too much oil in here. That is very annoying, I cannot lie. Alright, we good. We got it on there, just gotta tighten it up. Tighten it up. Sorry for leaking the oil on the ground. I really did not think it was gonna be that much. Like I said, the oil pan sits down here, so it should just be enough oil in the oil pan. Maybe a little bit above, but it shouldn't be that much. It shouldn't be that much leaking out. It's kind of excessive. Okay. I know it may be hard to see, sorry. Make sure you hand thread it first to avoid mistakes being made. I'm just gonna try to get 2 hands on here, so I'll make sure I'm threading evenly and not unevenly. Keep it level. Okay, should be good. We should be good. Right. That looks good. Put the connector on. Like that. Boom. Alright, start it up. Alright, I don't see no leak. We are good. Remember, it was leaking down directly before, as soon as the part cut on, but right now we are leak free. It may still be some built up there, but before it was dripping down from this, dripping down from here. So maybe still some that's up there, but it's not leaking at all. So, job done. Alright, it's 6:20. Got this oil leak fixed. Time to head to my next spot.